Wash the fruits clean and bright. Strawberry shining red and right. Chop, chop, on the board they go. Tiny hands move nice and slow. Star, star, jam so sweet. Bubble, bubble, fruity treats. Spread it on bread. Yum, yum, yum. Fruit jam fun for everyone. Into the pot, the fruits go in. Add some sugar, let's begin. Squeeze, squeeze. Woo! Lemon bright, make our jam taste just right. Star, star, jam so sweet. Bubble, bubble, fruity treats. Spread it on bread. Yum, yum, yum. Fruit jam fun for everyone. Woo! Watch it cook. Pop, pop, pop. Bubbles dancing never stop. Smells so sweet, looks so bright. Jam is almost done, all right. Be careful now, it's hot, hot, hot. Ask an adult to help a lot. Pour it in jars, close the lid tight. Save that jam for snack time delight.